Hello students, welcome to the video class of the mathematics. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, permutation and combination. So first we start Brahmanath. शांति 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 सुस्ता. So before starting permutation and combination, first we know factorial. So first we take an example. In a classroom there are 4 seats are vacant. In a classroom 4 seats are vacant. In how many ways? How many ways 4 students can be seated? Okay. So in that class 4 seats are vacant. 4 students are entered to the classroom. In how many ways these 4 students seated? Okay. So one student sit on one seat. No. So 4 seats are vacant. These are the seats. So the 4 students are there. First student can be sit any one of 4 seats in 4 ways. 4टा सीट अच्छी बोले से 4टा सीट रे बसियोनी, गोटे सीट रे बसियो, but he can sit in 4 ways. तो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट कैन बी सीट इन 4 ways. तापन 4टा ऑप्शन होबो. आफ्टर सिटिंग द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, now 3 seats are vacant. So the second student can be sit any one of the 3 seats in 3 ways. Then 2 seats are vacant. So third students can be sit any one of 2 seats in 2 ways. Lastly, 4th student can be sit in 1 ways. So 4 students can be seated. 4 या पाई ऑप्शन ला 4, या पाई ऑप्शन 3, या पाई 2, या पाई 1. So these 4 student can be seated on that 4 seats is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means 24. Similarly, if we take another example, in how many ways 6 persons can be seated in a row. गोटे लाइन रे 6टा लोक केते प्रकार वे रे बसिबे. ओके. सो 6 पर्सन सीटेड इन 6 प्लेसेस. ना 6टा जगह अच्छी बोली कौन जड़े लोक गोटे 6टा जगह बसियो कि ना, गोटे जगह बसियो. सो 6 persons are there. Here 6 persons. This is the first person, second person, third person, fourth person, fifth person, then sixth person. So the first person can be seated in how many ways? 6 ways. 6टा प्लेस रहिबो. 6 places. Okay. Then the second person can be seated any one of the 5 seats in 5 ways. या पाई कोन हो 4, and the 4 students can be seated, 4 person can be seated in 3 ways. Then 2, 1. So, this 6 person can be seated in a row equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 means देखो 1 2 2 3 जा 6 6 4 जा 24 24 5 जा 120 126 जा 720 720. तो 720 ways this 6 person can sit in a row. 720 प्रकार वे रे 6 जन लोक गोटे लाइन रे बसी पारिबे ना नहीं बसियो तो गोटे गोटे प्रकार वे रे बसे किंतु हाउ मेनी ऑप्शंस आर देयर 720. Next we take another example. There are 5 letters A B C D E. In how many 5 letters word can be formed? 5 letters word can be formed using the letters A, B, C, D, E. Not necessarily the word have a meaning. Say word ro meaning रही बोली किसी सेमती किसी नहीं ना नहीं meaning रही होबो meaning न रही भी होबो. But my question is how many 5 letters word can be formed using letters A, B, C, D, E. Not necessarily the word have a meaning, whereas each letters must be distinct, no letters being repeated. आमे जो word टा तैयारी करिया in that word no letters are repeated. से word रे letter गुडी को repeat नथिबो. Okay, तो how many 5 letters word formed using the letters A, B, C, D, E. अच्छा, we make what contains 5 places. 5 letters word means, okay, first we take in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. So 5 letters word means 5 places are there. So first place can be filled up any one of the 5 letters in how many ways? In 5 ways. Since no digits are repeated, so the second place can be filled up any one of the 4 letters. Okay, after filling the first place, now there are 4 letters are there. So the second place can be filled up any one of the 4 letters in the 4 ways, and third place are filled up in 3 ways. Then fourth place are filled up by 2 ways, and the fifth place are filled up by 1. So 5 letters word equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and this is a 5 120. Okay, this is known as 120. So 120 means you can write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the 5 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means this is known as a 4 factorial. 4 factorial. This is the symbol of factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is known as a 6 factorial. So in generally 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, or you can write 1 into 2 into 3. In 10 factorial means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or you can write 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to 10. So this continuous product is known as a factorial. So 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. N factorial means product of first and natural number. Continuous product of first and natural number is known as n factorial, and this n factorial is denoted by n factorial, or this is the symbol of factorial, n factorial. Means 1 to n serial multiplication हम कहते n factorial. तो factorial is only defined for positive integer, not negative integer, not fraction. And 0 factorial is also defined. 0 factorial भी बाहरिबो. Okay. So what is factorial? So factorial means the continuous product of first and natural number is called factorial. Okay. And the n factorial is denoted by n factorial. This is the symbol of factorial. Okay. So n factorial equal to 1 into 2 into 3 up to n or you can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot dot 3 2 1. Like that 5 factorial equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 6, and 2 factorial means 1 into 2. This is or 2 into 1, and 1 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is also 1. So we prove 0 factorial equal to 1 in permutation. Okay, जो permutation पढ़ाबो सेतलो सेठी prove कराबो why 0 factorial is equal to 1. After 2 class we prove 0 factorial equal to 1. Okay, now here you remember the 0 factorial is 1. Okay, and negative power factorial fractional factorial is not defined. You can write also 10 factorial. So 10 factorial means 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or you can write 10 into the 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 9 factorial. 9 factorial. So you can write or another ways 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means this is 8 factorial. So 10 factorial means you can write 10 into 9 factorial, or you can write 10 factorial equal to 10 factorial equal to 10 into 9 into 8 factorial, or you can write 10 factorial equal to 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. So in general n factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to 1. देखो n factorial माने कौन अच्छी n into एतिकी, किंतु this one is n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 dot 3 into 2 into 1 means this is the n minus 1 factorial. So you can write n minus 1 factorial like that. 10 factorial equal to 10 into 9 factorial, n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, or you can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial also. So in general n plus 2 factorial, n plus 2 factorial means n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n factorial, or you can extend also. So you can break this factorial n plus 2 factorial माने एमदी आमे एक्सप्रेस कर पारिया हला. अच्छा, for example we take an example. compute some questions. 10 factorial by 7 factorial. Compute 10 factorial by 7 factorial. Answer. तो 10 factorial by 7 factorial means देखो which one is the larger factorial? 10 factorial. एट होछि 7 factorial अछि. तमे कैलकुलेशन कला बेले factorial लागू कैंसिल करिया पड़ियो. You make the cancel the factorial. So the large factorial converted into small factorial. सबोले बड़ फैक्टोरियल नंबर टाको सान फैक्टोरियल जाए तुम एक्सप्रेस करियो जेंदी कि फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल हम. सो फॉर कैलकुलेशन यू मस्ट कैंसिल द फैक्टोरियल सिंबल. तेणु 10 फैक्टोरियल मान कौन लिखिपारे 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 फैक्टोरियल लिखिपारे ना आम बाई कौन 7 फैक्टोरियल. तो 7 फैक्टोरियल कैंसिल है. तो 10 into 9 into 8 8 9 जाके 72 into 10 तो 720 720 है. Next compare number 1. Number 2 della hala 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Its value is 2 factorial into 3 factorial means this is not 6 factorial. This is not 6 factorial. Not 6 factorial. So 2 factorial into 3 factorial equal to 2 factorial means 2 into 1. 2 3 factorial means 6. This is known as 12. So 2 into 3 factorial equal to 12. Okay. Next, number 3, find x if 1 by 10 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial equal to x by 11 factorial. अच्छा, 1 by 10 factorial plus 1 by 9 factorial equal to x by 11 factorial. So यार वैल्यू कहते हैं देखो ये कौन करा पे देखो 1 by 10 factorial अच्छी प्लस ये अच्छी ये अच्छी 1 by 9 फैक्टोरियल. सो देख 11 फैक्टोरियल प्लस 1 by 9 फैक्टोरियल आम ये कौन करिया. सो 1 by 9 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू x by 11 फैक्टोरियल. दैट इम्प्लाइड फास्ट यू हैव टू मेक हायर फैक्टोरियल इंटू स्मॉलर फैक्टोरियल जो फैक्टोरियल बड़ अच्छी ताको स्मॉल फैक्टोरियल कन्वर्ट कर स्मॉल फैक्टोरियल जाए कन्वर्ट कर स्मॉल कौन अच्छी 9 फैक्टोरियल सान अच्छी तो सब जाक 9 फैक्टोरियल जाए आने पड़ो 1/10 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स यू राइट इन दिस वे 10 into 9 फैक्टोरियल प्लस एटा 1/9 फैक्टोरियल अच्छी इक्वल टू x by 11 फैक्टोरियल मीन्स 11 into 10 into 9 फैक्टोरियल ओके then you take LCM in LHS side बदान LHS side रो नब LCM रा नब है यार LCM कले केते होची एडी मु कर दोची देखो एडी भला हम बाहर करछे सो दैट इम्प्लाइड एडी LCM रा केते आसियो 10 into 9 फैक्टोरियल आसियो नहीं 10 into 9 फैक्टोरियल सो 10 into 9 फैक्टोरियल आसिले एडी आसीबो तमरो एडी केते आसीबो हला एडा 1 हला प्लस 9 फैक्टोरियल कैंसल है ये कहते आसो 10 इक्वल टू x by 11 into 10 into 9 फैक्टोरियल तो 10 10 कैंसल है 9 फैक्टोरियल कैंसल है दैट इम्प्लाइड 11 इक्वल टू x by 11 सो 11 दैट इम्प्लाइड 11 इक्वल टू x by 11 दैट इम्प्लाइड x इक्वल टू 121 सो आंसर x रो वैल्यू केते होची 121 तेणु कैलकुलेशन कला बेले सबुले देखिबो सबुठु लोअर फैक्टोरियल केते अछि तो लोअर फैक्टोरियल जेति अछि से बड़ फैक्टोरियल को तमे लोअर फैक्टोरियल जाए ताकू एक्सप्रेस करियो जेमति कि एलसीएम ने बारे ऐड करला बेले इजी होबो ओके सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द फैक्टोरियल नेक्स्ट वी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल आल्सो देखो फाइंड द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ n ए लेक्चर क्वेश्चन दे फाइंड द minimum value of n if n factorial by n minus 2 रो factorial is greater than 131 कौन हम कहलो n factorial by n minus 2 factorial is greater than 131 so what is the minimum value of n देखो n factorial by n minus 2 रो factorial is greater than 131 do you understand so n एडे अछि n minus 2 factorial अछि n factorial अछि n minus 2 factorial सान ना n 2 minus कराइछि तो बड़ factorial कोन करियो तुम सान factorial जा एक्सप्रेस करियो that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 रो factorial by n minus 2 रो factorial is greater than 131 हला अच्छा n minus 2 factorial n minus 2 cancel हला that implied n into n minus 1 is greater than 131 so 131 value रा बड़ हबो 131 to greater माने for which value of n you can take heat and trial method suppose you can take n equal 10 पकेबो जदी n दा 10 हला n दा 10 पकेबो माने एटा कोन होची 9 होची तो 10 into 9 कोन होची 90 होची ना ले 90 is not greater than 131 तेनु 10 नल हबोनी आ गोटे बढ़ेबो 11 नब मन करो n दा 11 नब so 11 into 9 एटा 11 हला एटा 9 होची 11 9 केते होची 99 99 दा कोन 131 रो बड़ होची कि नाही तो एंडा 12 लियो जदलो एंडा 12 लेबा एटा केते होची 11 होची तो 12 into 11 केते हो 12 into 11 होची 11 2 जा 22 ये 11 1 जा 11 into 2 केते ला 132 होची सो 132 इज मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन 131 तेनु एंडा 12 हबो एंडा 12 पकेल हबो 13 पकेल हबो 14 पकेल हबो 15 पकेल इन हबो but what is the minimum value of n so n minimum is 12 so answer is n must be 12 the minimum value of n is 12 okay so in this way you have to calculate next we take another example also देखो convert the following products into factorials number 1 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 तो how to make it factorials form देखो answer 1 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 तो to make factorial means सेटा कंटिन्यूअस प्रोडक्ट रहा दरकार सीरियली 1 टू रहा दरकार तो फास्ट टू मेक मल्टीप्लिकेशन फ्रॉम कंटिन्यूअस प्रोडक्ट सो ये 5 to 10 अच्छी सीरियल अच्छी सो नाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 एट कौन करा 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 So here we multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 in numerator and also denominator, because we make into factorial form. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Like that. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So which is equal to 1 into 2 into 3, 1 to 10 serial number, means this is the 10 factorial, 1 to 4 serial, and this is 4 factorial. Okay. So its factorial form is 10 factorial by 4 factorial. Number 2 देखो, 3 into 6 into 9 into 12 into 15 into 18 अच्छी. So how to make it factorial? You can write 3 means 3 into 1, 1 into 3, and here 2 into 3, and this one is 3 into 3. 12 means you can write 3 into 4. 15 means 3 into 5. Okay. Then 18 means 3 into 6. 3 into 6. How many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is equal to 3 to the power 6 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So 3 to the power 6 into 6 factorial. 3 to the power 6 into 6 factorial. Okay. Next, last one is the third one. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 dot 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 dot. Last one is 2n minus 1. So 1 into 3 into 5 into 7, these are the odd number. Nahi? So how to make in factorial form? The factorial formula कौन करिया पड़ो? Serial number है दरकार. But here not 2, 4, 6, 8. So in such case, first we multiply the even number. Even number means 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 2n. A number ta 8 multiply करिया numerator and denominator भी multiply करिया. Okay. Now here we multiply 2, 4, 6, 8 even number in numerator and also denominator. So 1 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10 dot 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 dot. Last one is what? 2n minus 1, then 2n is the even number. Before last 2n minus 1, then before 2n minus 1 will be 2n minus 2. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dot dot dot. Last one is 2n. So before last 2n minus 2. Okay. 2n minus 2. अच्छा. देखो. Here this one is n factor. We add, we multiply even number, means how many factors are there? 2n factors are there. 2n factors are there. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to 2n means this is known as a 2n factorial by 2 means you can write 2 into 1, 4 means 2 into 2, 6 means 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 2 into 5, 2 into n minus 1, 2 into n. So 2, 2, 2, 2, how many factors are there? Here n factor, in denominator n factor. So 2, 2, 2 up to multiply n times, so this is the 2 to the power n. 2 को n थ्रो multiply कले कौन होगा? 2 to n into 1, एडी 1 रोइला, into 2 रोइला, एडी 3 रोइला, एडी 4, then 5 dot 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 n. So which is equal to 2n factorial by 2 to the power n into 1 into 2 into 3 up to n factorial. Okay. So 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 dot dot 2n minus 1 equal to 2n factorial by 2 to the power n into n factorial. In this way you have to find. Okay. Next we take another example also. Question: if n plus 2 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial, then n equal this, then find n. So n plus 2 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial. Answer कौन होगा? Answer है ला. Here n plus 2 factorial अच्छी, इधर n minus 1 factorial अच्छी. n plus 2 डा कौन लिखियो? n plus 2 into n plus 1. Sorry. n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n minus 1 factorial equal to 60 into n minus 1 factorial है ला. So n minus 1 factorial cancel है ला. n plus 2 into n plus 1 into n equal to 60. n plus 2 into n plus 2 into n, it is the continuous product. The multiplication of 3 consecutive number, and this is the 60. So you write 60 in the product of 3 numbers. These numbers must be consecutive. ना तीन टा क्रमिक संख्यार प्रोडक्ट होइथियो 3 नंबर्स आर मस्ट बी कंजुगेटिव सो यू कैन राइट 5 into 4 into 3 because 5 into 4 केते 20 into 3 60 so 5 into 4 into 3 so n plus 2 equal to 5 n plus 1 equal to 4 n equal to 3 so answer n equal to 3 n equal to 3 okay so in this way you have to calculate this is the n equal to 3 so prove that 2n factorial by n factorial equal to 2 to the power n into 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 up to 2n minus 1 and second one is 2 into 6 into 10 dot 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 4n minus 2 equal to 2n factorial by n factorial okay now we prove of 1 देखो so first we take the LHS part 2n factorial by n factorial so 2n factorial means it is the product of 2n numbers up to 1 to 2n. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 dot 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 last one is 2n. So before last 2n minus 1 then before last 2n minus 2 m दिया ना नहीं by n factorial okay. So here 2n numbers are there. First we make odd numbers in one and all even number in one side okay so 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 up to 2n minus 1 we take two box containing on odd numbers and other is even numbers so even number of 2 4 6 8 the last one is 2n before last 2n minus 2 okay this is the 2n minus 2 into 2n okay whole by n factorial now here 1 3 5 7 dot dot 2n minus 1 hala gote into देखो 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 2 means you can write 1 into 2 2 into 2 2 into 3 2 into 4 2 into n minus 1 2 into n so taking 2 2 2 2 up to n times and this is 2 to the power n into 1 into 2 2 to the power n into 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 dot 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 up to n whole by n factorial 1 into 2 into 3 up to means n factorial so this is 2 to the power n into 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 up to 2n minus 1 okay into n factorial by n factorial by n factorial so n factorial cancel and this is known as 2 to the power n into 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 dot 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 up to 2n up to 2n minus 1 2n minus 1 okay so next we have to multiply next we prove that 2 into 6 into 10 up to dot dot 4n minus 2 equal to 2n factorial by n factorial how to prove this one here also you can take a LHS part so in LHS part first you have to derive this one here after simplify in this term here we do देखो here 2 to the power n into 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 up to 2n minus 2 means 2 to n means how many 2 are there n 2 n hala so 2 टा केथर अछि n थर अछि so 2 up to n times now you multiply 2 here 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 so सबुथिरे 2 जदि multiply करिया ले कोन हो 2 into 6 into 10 into 14 last रा केत होछि 4n minus 2 this is the 4n minus 2 okay so you can do yourself in this way you have to prove this one okay next what will be exponent of a prime in n factorial exponent of a prime in n factorial okay देखो exponent of a prime p in n factorial you know n factorial is the factorial of n whatever may be the value of n but n must be a positive integer okay so exponent means you know power of a prime number p is prime number so in n factorial what is the power of a prime number p So suppose we take an example. Suppose you can write it 20. 20 is a number. Okay, you know every number can be expressed as the product of prime number. जेकोसी संख्या को तुम मौलिक संख्यार गुणफल रूपे प्रकाश कर पारिया. एवरी नंबर कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड एज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर. मौलिक संख्यार गुणफल रूपे प्रकाश कर पारिबा. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सपोज वी टेक ए नंबर इज 20. तो 20 टाक आम मौलिक संख्यार गुणफल लिखिले मीन्स कौन कर पारिया ना 20 मीन्स यू कैन राइट 2 into 10 फास्ट एलसीएम हम 2 into 10 2 into 5 है. तो 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 रो स्क्वायर into 5. तार तो 20 रे 2 रो एक्सपोनेंट केते 2 5 रो एक्सपोनेंट केते 1 है. सपोज वी टेक another example that is 720. देखो 720 रे what is the exponent आकु how to make prime factorization. 720 जब हमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करिया कोन हबो ना 2 into फर्स्ट 2 नबो because 1 is not a prime number, so 2 is a prime number. 2 नेला एटा के तो 360 हैला, then 180 हैला, then 290 हैला, then 245 हैला, then 315 हैला, then 35 हैला. तो 720 equal to you can write 720 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 केते हैला 2 रो 4 into 3 रो स्क्वायर into 5. So 720 means what is the which factor? And this is known as the 6 factorial. So in 6 factorial, what is the exponent of 2? 4. What is the exponent of 3? 2. What is the exponent of 5? 1. But if we take a number, suppose we write 100 factorials. 100 factorial. So 100 factorial, what will be exponent of 2? Okay, you cannot say what is the value of 100 factorial. तुम 100 factorial केबे भी बाहर कर पारियानी. 100 factorial वैल्यू केते है? 100 factorial माने कोन 1 to 100 जाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया पड़ियो. ओके, इट इज इजी टू फाइंड 1 into 2 into 3 up to 100 ना नहीं. अच्छा, सो देखो 100 factorial is a very large number. So in that large number, how can you count what is the power of 2 and what is the power of 3 and what is the power of 5 like that. So we can easily determine by the help of exponent of prime in the factorial. देखो 720 रे 2 रो पावर 4 रहला केमदी हबो. How can you know in 6 factorial what is the exponent of 2? देखो exponent of 2 in 6 factorial, you write in this way. This is the formula. Or exponent of 2 in 6 factorial. 6 factorial means 720. 6 factorial le 2 ro power kete hobo. How to count? Now you count in this way 6 by 2. What is its symbol? This symbol is the greatest integer value. Bracket x is known as the greatest integer function. For whatever may be the value of x, bracket x is in the largest integer. No, it is a largest integer, not greater than x. x रो वाला जहाँ ले भी एटा सब बड़े गुटे इंटीजर होगा. जो इंटीजर टा निज संख्या लो केबे भी बड़ा होगा नहीं. So first you have to write 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 रो स्क्वायर plus 6 by 2 रो कौन होची क्यू होची. किंतु 6 by 2 रो क्यू कौन होगा 2 रो क्यू डा ग्रेटर देन 8 होची. तो ग्रेटर देन 8 ने ए टर्मिनल लिखा कि आवश्यक नहीं. Why we cannot write? Why it is not necessary to write? Because देखो 6 by 2 वाले के तो 3 है. एटा के तो 6 by 4 ना 6 by 4 माने कौन होगा 1 point something आसियो 1 point something आसियो है ना. अच्छा हेले हाँ 6 by 4 पर बाहर किया उन्हें 6 by 4 ले के तो 4 1 जब 4 आ कौन रहला 2 रहला. सो 2 और 20 रहला. सो 4 5 जब 1.5 है नहीं 1.5 प्लस एटा के तो 6 by 8 माने कौन होची 0 point something प्लाइबो 0 point something प्लाइबो. तो 0 point something नो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के 0 ए टर्म के 1.5 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के 1 होची 3 रो ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के 3. सो 3 plus 1 plus 0 8 जे तो जेहेतु डिनोमिनेटरटा जदि 6 टू बड़ हो सो यहाँ 0 पॉइंट समथिंग आस 0 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के 0 सो ऑल दी नेक्स्ट टर्म आर 0 सो 3 plus 1 this is 4 so the exponent of 2 in 6 factorial is 4 देखो ये 4 अच्छी ना नहीं अच्छी ना in this way you have to calculate देखो 3 रो पावर टा के 2 what will be the exponent of 3 in 6 factorial माने you have to write in this way e3 of 6 factorial means first you have to write 6 by 3 then you have to write 6 by 3 रो square 3 square 9 होची ना 9 दा 6 टू ग्रेटर होची आउ कि सेटा 0 होची नेक्स्ट टर्म भी 0 हो लिखा दरकार ना 2 so bracket 2 equal to 2 so the exponent of 6 factorial the exponent of 3 in 6 factorial is 2 and the exponent of 6 factorial exponent of 2 in 6 factorial is 4 in this way you have to calculate for whatever may be the factorial what is exponent so the exponent of prime in n factorial means you have to write this one देखो concept of बुझलो do you understand the concept of prime p in n factorial देखो how to count without counting how to count केमती count करिवो without counting गणना न करी केमती count कराउची the exponent of prime in n factorial equal to n by p plus n by p square plus n by p cube plus n by p fourth plus dot dot up to n by p to the power s but p to the power s must be less than n where p to the power s must be less than or equal to n and which is less than p to the power s plus 1 तुम p रो पावाटा को पर्यंत लिखियो जेमति कि n रु लेस हबो बा लेस n संगे इक्वल हबो जदि n रु बड़ होई जियो p to the s रा जदि n रु ग्रेटर होई जियो माने एटा कोन 0 पॉइंट समथिंग आसे 0 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन कोन 0 ना सो नेक्स्ट टर्म किछ लेखिया किछ आवश्यक नाही सो वी नेग्लेक्ट ऑल दिस टॉपिक ओके फॉर एग्जांपल व्हाट इज एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 into 20 factorial तो 20 factorial रे 2 रो एक्सपोनेंट केते हबो सो यू कैन राइट इन दिस वे 20/2 प्लस 20/2 रो स्क्वायर प्लस 20/2 रो क्यूब तो 2 रो क्यूब मीन्स 8 है जो नहीं प्लस देखो 20/2 रो पावर 4 2 पावर 4 मीन्स 16 20/2 to the 5 तो 2 to the 5 मीन्स 32 तो 32 है ना ये लिखा किसी आवश्यक ना है तार ग्रेटर है हेनी ग्रेटर तो 0 हो तो 20/2 मीन्स यहाँ 10 है अच्छा 10 आसो ना कहीं 10 ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 10 आसो 20/4 तो 20/4 मीन्स यहाँ के 5 है 5 ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 5 आगा 20/8 है 20/8 मीन्स कौन हम कहल 8 2 16 8 2 16 के 2 पॉइंट समथिंग हम 2 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के 2 है ना कि प्लस 20/4 माने 16 तो 20/16 मीन्स 1 पॉइंट समथिंग हम 1 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 1 है एटा 1 11 लेस टर्म 0 हो ऑटोमेटिकली सो एटा के 10 + 5 15 + 2 17 + 1 18 सो द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 इन 20 फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 18 तार तो 20 फैक्टोरियल माने कौन 1 to 20 नंबर से 20 फैक्टोरियल 2 रो घात केते रहइबो माने 18टा रहइबो है ना लाइक दैट एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 into 100 factorial देखो व्हाट इज एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 into 100 factorial मीन्स यू कैन राइट इन दिस वे 100/2 है प्लस 100/2 स्क्वायर है प्लस 100/2 रो क्यूब है प्लस 100/2 to the 4 हम प्लस 100/2 2 to the 5 हम 2 to the 5 माने 32 प्लस 100/2 to the 6 तो 2 to the 5 32 2 to the 6 माने कौन 64 होची ना 64 है प्लस 100 by 2 to the 7 2 to the 7 मान 128 तो 128 टर्म लिखा आवश्यक ना नेक्स्ट टर्म किसी लिखियोनी सो यहाँ के 50 है प्लस 2 स्क्वायर 4 तो 100 by 4 मीन्स 25 हम प्लस 2 क्यू 8 है है सो 2 क्यू 8 है 100 by 8 है अच्छा 100 by 8 मान तुम डिवाइड करो है केते होची 8 1 जा 8 8 1 जा 8 है 2 रहा 20 सो 20 रहा तो 20 मीन्स 8 2 जा 16 8 2 जा 16 मतलब 12 पॉइंट समथिंग हम सो ओके सो 12 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन के 2 है नहीं कि देन 2 to 4 माने 16 है तो 16 100 by 16 है 100 by 16 मीन्स 16 कहते 5 जा 16 5 जा 96 सॉरी 16 हो ना तो 16 5 जा कहते 96 5 जा 8 या 6 6 जा 16 6 जा कहते 96 है तो 6 पॉइंट समथिंग हम 6 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन कहते 6 है देन 32 100 by 32 तो 32 माने केते होची 3 जीवो हलानी 100 by 32 होचे 32 वाले कहते 3 जीवो ना 3 वाले कहते 96 होची हला तो 3 पॉइंट समथिंग हो 3 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 3 है देन कहता 100 by 64 बोले 1 पॉइंट समथिंग हो 1 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन मान ओके डू यू अंडरस्टैंड एटा खाली तुम वैल्यू बाहर करी ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर फंक्शन वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करियो तो 50 plus 25 ये कहते हो देखो 1 plus 3 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 2 12 12 plus 5 17 1 1 है यस 1 2 2 2 4 4 5 9 तो 97 रहा बेले सो एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 in 100 factorial 97 similarly you can determine exponent of 3 in 100 factorial okay so in this way you have to calculate the exponent of prime in n factorial okay prove that 33 factorial is divisible by 2 to the power 15 so how can you prove that 33 factorial so 33 factorial means you know 1 to multiplication of 33 this is a very large number 2 to 15 means 2 को multiply करियो 15 times तो how to prove this one okay देखो तो first you have to calculate what is the exponent of 2 in 30 factorial से एक्सपोनेंट पावाटा केते अछि देखियो तमे जदि 2 to 50 एक्सपोनेंट जदि 15 टू अधिक होई जिवो सो नेचुरली 2 to 15 that means 33 factorial is must be divisible by 2 to the power 15 so आमे प्रथम बाहर करिया पड़ियो व्हाट इज एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 in 33 factorial ओके आंसर तो एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 2 in 33 factorial so how can you count and this is 33 by 2 plus 33 by 2 रो स्क्वायर 4 है प्लस 33 by 2 रो क्यूब 8 है प्लस 33 by 2 to the power 4 means 16 है प्लस 33 by के 2 to the power 5 32 है प्लस 33 by 2 to the power 5 होइतला एटा 6 होले 64 होउछ ना ए टर्मडा आसीओनी 0 होई जीवो हला आशा सो 33 by 16 माने केता आसीओ को 33 by 16 माने कोन होची तो ये केते होची 16 2 जा 32 ये 33 होची माने 16 पॉइंट समथिंग हम 16 पॉइंट समथिंग द ब्रैकेट फंक्शन केते 16 ये 4 8 जा 32 4 8 तो 8 पॉइंट समथिंग द ब्रैकेट फंक्शन केते 8 हैला देन एटी केते होची 8 4 जा 32 नहीं कि 8 4 जा 32 माने 4 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 4 है देन 16 2 जा 16 2 जा 16 दूना 32 ना नहीं तो 16 2 2 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 2 है देन 32 1 जा 1 पॉइंट समथिंग ब्रैकेट फंक्शन 1 है तो 16 प्लस 4 केते है 20 ये 8 28 to 30 28 बोले कौन 30 31 रहा सो 31 रहा सो इन दैट 33 factorial equal to 2 पावर केते रहला 31 रहला इंटू 3 पावर भी केते अछि ना नहीं अच्छा दिस सिंस दिस नंबर 33 फैक्टोरियल इक्वल टू 2 पावर 31 इंटू सम नंबर 3 पावर रहइबो इंटू 5 पावर रहइबो एनीवे बट इट कंटेन्स 2 पावर 31 ना तो 2 to the 31 means this number must be divisible by 2 to the 15 देखो 2 to the 31 अछि इडी आइने 2 to the 31 अछि माने 2 to the 15 ना बीच अछि ना नाही so 33 factorial is divisible by 2 to the power so counting principle on the multiplication before starting counting principle first we know the example okay suppose there are 4 routes from Brahmapur to Bhubaneswar and 3 routes from Bhubaneswar to Kolkata in how many ways can a person to reach Kolkata starting from Bhubaneswar हला जे बरहमपुर टू भुवनेश्वर जिया पई 4टा रूट अछि भुवनेश्वर टू कोलकाता जिया पई 3टा रूट अछि से लोक बरहमपुर टू बाहरिबो कोलकाता रे पहुंचबो थ्रू भुवनेश्वर कहीं भुवनेश्वर गला भुवनेश्वर दे गला के से कोलकाता रोडटा पाई परियो ना नहीं अच्छा सो ता जर्नी हला टू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम बरहमपुर टू रीच कोलकाता इन हाउ मेनी वेज सो दैट पर्सन मस्ट बी फर्स्ट गो टू भुवनेश्वर इन बरहमपुर टू भुवनेश्वर देयर आर 4 रूट्स he can go in one ways in one route but there are 4 options 4 routes are there nahi so that person can go from Berhampur to Bhubaneswar any one of the 4 routes in 4 ways after reaching Bhubaneswar okay each route from Berhampur to Bhubaneswar can be performed another 3 ways another 3 ए रूट रे गले से 3टा रूट रे कलकत्ता जाई परियो ए रूट रे गले भी 3टा ऑप्शन मिलियो ए रूट रे गले भी 3टा ऑप्शन ए रूट रे गले भी 3टा ऑप्शन हबो सो each route from Berhampur to Bhubaneswar the second part the Bhubaneswar to Kolkata can be reached in another 3 ways so he can go from Berhampur to Bhubaneswar and Bhubaneswar to Kolkata 4 into 3 that is the 12 ways not 4 plus 3 होबनी 4 into 3 कहीं बरहमपुर टू भुवनेश्वर जापाई 4टा रास्ता अच्छी प्रत्येक रास्ता another 3 ways रे से कोलकाता नहीं पारिबो तो 4 into 3 that is the 12 ways he can reach to Calcutta in the 12 ways okay now we write answer a person can go एमती लिखो ना नहीं that is okay so a person can go from Brahmapur to Bhubaneswar in any one of 4 routes in 4 ways from Bhubaneswar to Kolkata in any one of 3 routes in 3 ways so he can reach to Calcutta in 4 into 3 12 ways that is 12 ways okay so here first what is the complete work first we know what will be the complete work hochi to reach Kolkata via Bhubaneswar so the total work are divided in 2 parts first he go from Brahmapur to Bhubaneswar then again he go from Bhubaneswar to Kolkata so the first part can be performed in how many ways in 4 ways and the second part can be performed in another 3 ways so the total work can be performed in how many ways 4 into 3 that is the 12 ways so in this way you have to count सब बोले देखियो so what is the total work तो total work रागु तुम्हें 2 भाग करि पारियो बा 3 भाग करि पारियो एज पॉसिबल the questions एट 2टा पार्ट हला तो 2टा पार्ट हेले फर्स्ट पार्ट रे केते प्रकार वे रे होची देखियो in how many ways the first part can be complete in how many ways the second part can be complete okay so the total work can be completed the first part work into second part work that is 4 into 3 that is the 12 ways so counting principle on multiplication means if a complete work is divided in 2 parts The first part can be done or first part can be performed in n ways. N ways. It has been completed any one of these m ways. The second part can be performed n ways. Then the total work can be completed is m cross n ways. This is known as the counting principle. Do you understand? A complete work is divided in two parts. The first part can be done m ways, and when it has been completed in any one of these m ways, the second part can be performed n ways. So the total number of ways of doing the complete work is m cross n ways. This counting principle can be extended into any number of intervals, any number of subparts. Suppose the counting principle divided into three parts. The first part can be done m ways, the second part can be done n ways, and the third part can be done p ways. So by counting principle, the total number of ways of doing the complete work is m cross n cross p. Suppose there are 5 routes. From Kolkata to Delhi. In how many ways can a person reach to Delhi starting from Berhampur? तो Berhampur to first Bhubaneswar जियो 4टा रूट है, Bhubaneswar to Kolkata जियो 3टा रूट है, Kolkata to Delhi जियो 5टा रूट है. So in how many ways he can reach in Delhi? So 4 into 3 into 5, 4 into 3 12 into 5 which is 60. In 60 ways he can go to Delhi. गोटे रोड रे जीव कि ऑप्शन केते व्हाट विल बी नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शंस दैट इज शुड बी काउंट 60 ways to go Delhi. So how to count without counting? That is known as a counting principle. Do you understand counting principle? Okay. So counting principle, if a complete work is divided into parts, the first part can be done in m ways. When it has been completed, any one of these m ways, the second part can be performed or can be done in n ways. Then the total number of ways of doing the complete work is m cross n ways. तो आमर कंप्लीट वर्क कौन देखा से वर्क टाक केते भाग कराई देखा. ईच पार्ट कैन बी परफॉर्मड इन हाउ मेनी वेज. देन देयर मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज नोन एज काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल ऑन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो जो पर्यंत वर्कटा कंप्लीट हैनी से पर्यंत तुमको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया पड़िबो. फॉर एग्जांपल इन ए हॉल देयर आर 12 गेट्स. इन हाउ मेनी वेज कैन ए पर्सन enter to the hall and come out in another ways. So there are 12 gates in a hall. A man can enter in any one of the 12 gates in 12 ways, but he cannot come to out in other ways. No, he cannot go to out in the same gate. जो रास्ता जाइथिबो से रास्ता से बाहरी होनी ना. तेणु बाहर बाहर को बाहर ऑप्शन के हम 12टा गेट्र जो गेट्रे एंट्री कर गेट से बाहर बाहरी पारे. सो एनदर गेट मीन्स नाउ देर आर 12 वेज टू कम आउट टू दी हॉल. सो टू एंटर द नंबर ऑफ वेज टू एंटर दी हॉल 12 वेज, बट ही कैन गो आउट इन हाउ मेनी वेज 11 वेज. सो एंटर टू दी हॉल एंड गो आउट in how many ways? 12 into 11, that is 132 ways he can enter to the hall and go out the hall. तेणु हॉल भितर को जाइरी बाहर बाहरिया से केते प्रकार वे जाइरी आसी पारिबो 12 into 11. So a person can enter to the hall in any one of 12 gates in 12 ways and come to in other 11 gates in 11 ways. So by counting principle, he entered to the hall and come out equal to 12 into 11, that is 132 ways. Now another questions. Find the total number of possible outcomes when a coin tossed once, number 2 twice, number 3 thrice. Jatalo coin dagu ame gote thar toss kariya, what will be total number of outcomes? You know outcomes means the result of an experiment is known as outcomes. If a coin tossed, you will get a head or tail. So if a coin tossed once, the outcomes will be head or tail. Means the number of option is 2. No, these option either head aibo or tail aibo. Okay. So answer 1 is 2. Number 2. Here coin is tossed twice. So twice means we do this complete work in 2 parts. This is the first part and this one the second part. Jatalo first तमे कॉइन टाको टॉस करियो आर ऑप्शन केते 2 हबो. सेकंड जतलो टॉस करियो माने सेट भी ऑप्शन 2 आगा आसियो ना 2 हेले कोन होची 2 into 2 2 into 2 that is the 2 ro square 4. Okay. Number 3. Here coin is tossed 3 times means you can make 3 part. आप ऑप्शन 2 हबो आप ऑप्शन 2 आप भी ऑप्शन 2 हबो. तो वर्कटा केतलो कंप्लीट हबो जतलो कॉइन टाको 3 थर टॉस करियो. तो 3 थर टॉस करियो मीन्स 2 into 2 into 2. तो 2 रो क्यू नॉट 2 plus 2 plus 2 प्लस होबो प्ले इनटू होबो. वर्कटा कंप्लीट न होला जाए इनटू होबो ना नहीं. देखो तुम 3 टाइम्स ऐड करियो मल्टीप्लाई करो सॉरी 3 टाइम्स टॉस करछो ना तो 2 into 2 into 2. इफ वी toss in 4 times means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4. If we toss in 5 times to 2 to the 5 like that. Number 1. Number 2. Find the number of possible outcomes when a dice is thrown once, twice, thrice. जब डाइस टाइम आम थ्रो करिया नंबर 2 आंसर कौन हम फास्ट ना 6 हम. नंबर 2 डाइस टाइम को दिथर थ्रो कर माने 6 into 6 6 स्क्वायर 3 टाइम्स आम टॉस कले डाई रोल कले कौन होची 6 क्यू. एटा क्वेश्चन निजे लिखियो. फाइंड द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स व्हेन अ डाई थ्रो once, twice, 3 times 6 q. You make this question ना निजे लिखियो हला. Next we do another example also. A question paper contains 5 MCQ multiple choice questions. Each questions have 4 choice. Find the number of answering these questions or in how many ways the answering the 5 multiple choice questions. Okay. Answer देखो. There are 5 objective type questions. 5 MCQ questions. So we do the complete work in 5 parts. आपको हमें 5टा पार्ट कर दवा. This is question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. First question can be answering any one of 4 choice in 4 ways. एटा 4 ways रे आंसरिंग करि पारियो ना नहीं. आंसर टा सिना गोटे हबो से आंसरिंग करि पारि जाको किछ आसुनो तु से कोन करियो ए बी सी डी मन इच्छा करि पारियो ना. सो से कोन दे पारियो ए देले हे पारियो बी देले हे पारियो सी देले हे पारियो डी दे 4 चारटा ऑप्शन अछि मन. So first question can be answering any one of 4 choice 4 option. So in the 4 ways. मन कर एडी ए देला कोन सेकंड क्वेश्चन आंसर टा से ए दे पारियो नि के ए भी दे पारियो बी भी दे पारियो सी भी दे पारियो डी भी दे पारियो. So the second question can be answering any one of the 4 choice in the 4 ways also. Third question मध्ये से 4 प्रकार बार आंसर कर पारियो. 4 one is answering in 4 ways. Fifth one can be answering 4 ways. So by counting principle, the total number of answering the question is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So this is 4 to the power 5. Not 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Na na em dikhe habo ni eta 4 to the 5 habo. Kahi each questions have a 4 possible answer. So these 5 questions are possible. Answer is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, that is the 4 to the power 5. Okay. Next question, so find the 4-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers formed using digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Find the 4-digit numbers formed using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 को यूज करी 4 अंक विशिष्ट संख्या केतुरा तैयारी हो पारियो. So in that number, if digits are repeated, you can make a number. If digits are not repeated, then number also make. तेणु संख्या रे डिजिट गुड़िक सामान थे संख्या हो पार, संख्या रे डिजिट गुड़िक अलग होते संख्या हो पार. सो इन 2 ways you can make. First, number 1, repetition is allowed. Answer 1. Answer. I mean, repetition is allowed. Repetition is allowed. So we use digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4-digit numbers means we make a number contains 4 numbers. So 4 place, this is the unit place, this is the 10th place, this is the 100th place, and this is the 1000th place. So you can fill up any place, any one of the fill up. Okay. तो जो place टा fill up कले भी हबो. First you have to fill up unit place. So unit place can be fill up any one of the 5 digits in 5 ways. Unit place रे तमे जो अंक रखले भी हबो. Okay. Since repetition is allowed, so the 10th place can be fill up any one of 5 digits in 5 ways also. 100th place can be fill up any one of the 5 ways in 5 ways, and 1000th place also fill up in the 5 ways. So by counting principle, the total number of 4-digit numbers using digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where all digits where repetition is allowed is 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4, that is 625. Case 1. Case 2, if repetition is not allowed, then what will be number of 4-digit numbers? देखो जो repetition allowed होपनी, first you make 4 digits. No, this is the unit place, 10th place, 100th place, and 1000th place. You can fill up any one of the place. ना नहीं कुछ असुविधा नहीं, जो place टा fill up कले भी होबो. Suppose you fill up in unit place. So unit place can be fill up any one of the 5 digit in 5 ways. Since repetition is not allowed, तेणु एडी जो नंबर टा रखियो तमे जो डिजिट टा रखिबो एडी से डिजिट टा रहियोनी ना. जदि डिजिट टा रखि दो माने कोन हबो, रिपीट एला होइला. Since repetition is not allowed, so this 10th place can be fill up any one of the 4 digits in 4 ways. Then 100th place can be fill up any one of the 3 digit in 3 ways. Now how many places are there? 1 place there. तम 3टा place 3टा digit रहियोला. तो 3टा digit रहिला means now there are how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. Any 2 digit. Okay. 2टा digit रहिला. So the 100,000 place can be fill up any one of the 2 digits in 2 ways. 2 ways. So the counting principle, 4-digit numbers where repetition is not allowed is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2, and this is 5 into 4 20 into 3 60 120. So 120 habo. There are 120 numbers, 4-digit numbers using digits 1 2 3 4 5, where all digits are distinct, but 625 numbers using digits 1 2 3 4 5 where all digits where repetition is allowed. जब repetition allowed करिया 625 नंबर आइबो, repetition allowed न कले 120 digit होबो. So you write yourself. In the next class we do some other example. Okay, thank you.